Hi, I'm Helen from Woolly Chic, and I've been super busy since the last time I filmed. I've got 3 projects hot off the hook, and I'm going to share these with you in this video. The first is this stunning top. Now the pattern comes from the latest edition of Pom Pom Quarterly. I'll hold that up. And the pattern is called the Water Clover top. It's designed by Isla Caterpillan, and it's just stunning. I actually crocheted it with Catcher's Fair Cotton in navy, and I used 4 balls and about another 10 grams. So I went into the 5th ball of the fair cotton, but because I wasn't using the recommended yarn in the pattern, I decided to go up a hook size. So the pattern recommended using a 1.5mm crochet hook, and in fact I went up to a 2.5mm crochet hook. I did do a swatch. In fact, I started on the train back from Edinburgh, and the swatch came out a lot smaller than the size that I wanted to make, and it also was really difficult to use with the cotton. It was splitting the yarn a lot, so I still managed to produce a really nice dense fabric with a 2.5mm hook, but it meant that I could follow the first size of the pattern and yet get the desired size, which was actually the second size. So it made sense to go up a hook size. I'm really pleased with the results. I love this. I love the pattern and how the negative shapes reveal the water clover flower emblem. I'll just stand up and come a bit closer to the camera, and then you'll be able to see it. And the great thing, as someone mentioned on Instagram, on my Instagram post, was that every time I wear this top, I can put a different colour vest top underneath, and it will just completely change the look of the top and look of the outfit, which is fantastic. So that's my first project. My second project that I've finished is this handbag. And it's my design. I've designed this handbag called the Hexie Handbag. It's made with 13 crocheted hexagons, so it's a really quick project, and I just put together this particular colourway specially for Wonderwool Wales. Now I am going to exhibit in less than 2 weeks, just over a week's time. I will be exhibiting at Wonderwool Wales, and I'm really excited about that. So I put together this special colourway for Wonderwool Wales, because the green is exactly the same colour as their logo. So if you come into Wonderwool Wales, please stop by my stall. It's D1. And say hello and have a look at the bag, because oh, and the top. I'll have the top on display as well. So this bag is it comes as a kit, and it's available on my website, and the great thing is it comes with all the wool that you need. It's all British wool. The green has been spun from the fleece of sheep that's farmed by my cousin in Pembrokeshire in Wales, and the kit also includes a fantastic pre-sewn bag lining. So when you've done all your crocheting and you've sewn them all, you've crocheted them all together, then you just pop the bag lining into the bag and hand sew it into place, and then you're all finished. So you don't need to get your sewing machine out, you don't need to kind of work out the size of the material. It should all just fit nicely. So I started making this bag at Aqua, at the Knit Night organised by the Edinburgh Yarn Festival, and you can see it's that was only a few weeks ago, and I've just it's really quick project to make. I'll just turn it around so it's a kind of square boxy shape with a button at the top and short handles. And as I said before, it comes with this, the kit comes with this fantastic pre-sewn bag lining, which you just pop in, and it's got pockets inside. Now, a very good friend of mine, Jane Hickman, has made these for the kit, and she goes under the name of Gardening Witch. So you should check out her Instagram and Ravelry pages. She's a fantastic sewer, and so yeah, she put together these wonderful bag linings for me, ready for the kit. So as I say, they will be available at Wonderwool Wales, and then after Wonderwool, I'll do a shop update and put the kit with this particular colorway on my website. So that was my second finished project. My third finished project is just this little octopus here. Now this is the octopus for a preemie pattern. Now they will also be having a stall at Wonderwool Wales where you can get the pattern, and it's a really lovely charity project where you can make these cute octopuses, and the tentacles, I think mine are a bit too long actually. They very specify exactly the length of the tentacles, but the tentacles are supposed to be like the umbilical cord, and premature babies can then grip hold of the octopus tentacles rather than pulling out their feeding tubes. So they are a comfort, and they're also very sort of practical. The Octopus for Preemies project are collecting these octopuses and then distributing them around the special baby care units. So it's worth checking out their website for the pattern and where you can donate your octopuses. So this will be on display on my stall at Wonderwool Wales. And again, I've made this particular brightly coloured octopus in my fair cotton, and the Katia Fair cotton comes in a huge number of colours, and they're available on my website, and I will also have them at Wonderwool Wales. The great thing about fair cotton is it's 100% organic. It doesn't use any chemicals that are harmful to babies in their dyeing process, and it's also fair trade. So the farmers in Tanzania and India are receiving a fair wage for their work producing the cotton, which is fantastic. It's such a brilliant product. So my 3 projects in a very short space of time. As I say, I've been working really hard, as well as getting together all the stuff that I need for Wonderwool Wales. So what I will do is make another short film on Wonderwool Wales, giving you a flavour of that particular wool show. So that's coming soon. So if you would like to see more videos about woolly chic, I also do crochet tutorials, and about the wool shows that I exhibit and visit at, then please subscribe, hit the like button, and watch out for more. Thank you for watching.